Hello dear students, I am Ganga Bhosle, your statistics teacher. Today we will learn about the concept median. What is the median? The median is the data which is the value of the central item when they are arranged in ascending or descending order of their magnitudes. Then this median is denoted by MD. And the formula for the median when n is odd is given by the size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item when n is odd, and when n is even, the formula for median is the size of n by 2th item plus the size of n by 2 plus 1th item whole divided by 2. Now we solve example on median, that is find out median of the values 25, 20, 15, 35 and 18. First we have to arrange these values in ascending or descending order. We put out these values in ascending order. So we get 15, 20, 15, then 18. 15, 18, 20, 25 and 35. Then here the value of n, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here n is equal to 5, which is odd. 5 number is odd. So we have to use the formula, this one, that is MD is equal to the size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. Now write this formula. Median is equal to MD is equal to the size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item which is equal to the size of the value of n is 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 2th item. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3, which is equal to the size of third item, and the value of third item is, that is 1, first, second, third. Value of third item is 20. So the median for the values 25, 20, 15, 35 and 18 is 20. Now we see the second example, that is find median of the values 8, 20, 50, 25, 15, 30. First we arrange these values in ascending order, that is 8, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 50. Here the value of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is even, number. Okay, so here we have to use this formula. MD is equal to the size of n by 2th item plus the size of n by 2 plus 1th item divided by 2. Median is equal to MD is equal to the size of n by 2, that is the value of n is 6. 6 by 2th item plus the size of n by 2, that is 6 by 2 plus 1 item divided by 2. Whole divided by 2, which is equal to the size of 6 by 2, that is third item, plus the size of 6 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, the size of 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, that is the size of fourth item divided by 2. Here the value of third item, that is first, second, third, 20, and the value of, that is the size of fourth item, that is 25. So here 20 plus 25 divided by 2, which is equal to 20 plus 25, which is equal to 45. 45 divided by 2, which is equal to 22.5. Then in case of discrete frequency distribution, how to find out the value of median? First, same as it is, arrange the data in ascending or descending order of magnitude. Then in discrete frequency distribution, we have to find out the cumulative frequencies. Then the total number of observation, which is denoted by capital N. Median for discrete frequency distribution. Okay. The sum of the observation is denoted by capital N, and this formula for the median when the number of observation is odd is n plus 1 divided by 2, where capital N is equal to summation Fi, and when the if the capital N, the total number of observation is even, then we have to find out the value of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1, that is n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 item, n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 item divided by 2. Okay. Now we solve examples on the median for discrete frequency distribution. In SIM, the example, that is problem number 10 and 11, are on page number 18. Problem number 10. The question is, find median for the frequency distribution of X. Problem: find median for the frequency distribution of X, the value of Xi and the value of Fi. Value of Xi's are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the respective frequencies, that is 8, 10, 11, 16, 20 and 50. Okay. Solution of this example. We have to construct a table for this example. In this example, first row is xi, second row is fi and third one is capital Fi, that is summation fi, which is nothing but our capital N. Put out the values of xi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, their respective frequencies, that is 8, 10, 11, 16, 20 and 50. Sorry, capital Fi is nothing but our cumulative frequencies. And how to find out this cumulative frequency? First, write down this frequency 8 as it is. 8 as it is. Then cross adding these two numbers, that is 8 plus 10, which is equal to 18. Then cross add 18 plus 11, which is nothing but 29. 29 plus 16, which is equal to 45. 45 plus 20 is equal to 65. And 65 plus 15, which is equal to 80. Okay. So here we get the value of capital N. The value of capital N is equal to 80, which is E1. Number 80 is an even number. So we use the formula for calculating median, that is MD is equal to N by 2 value, that is, just a minute, this one formula. Okay. The sides of MD is equal to N by 2, which is equal to 40, and N by 2 plus 1, that is 40 plus 1, which is equal to 40. And for this corresponding to 40 value of 40, that is for this 40 lies in between these 45 number and their respective xi value is 4. So median is equal to 4 plus, and this number 41 is located at this 45 number and their respective xi value is 4. So here 4 plus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. Then we see one more example. Problem number 2. Just next example. For the following frequency distribution of x, find median xi and fi. The values of fi. Xi, the value of xi's are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and their respective frequencies are 8, 10, 11, 16, 20 and 25. Okay, now we have to construct a table. Solution of this example is solution xi, fi and capital Fi, that is our cumulative frequencies. Write down the value of xi: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Frequencies are 8, 10, 11, 16, 20, 25. Same as it is, put out the value of Fi as 8. Add these two numbers. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18, 29. Then 18 plus 11 is equal to 29. 29 plus 16 is equal to 45. 45 plus 20 is equal to 65. 65 plus 25, which is equal to 90. Here the value of capital N is 90, which is even. So we have to find out the value of n by 2, that is 90 by 2, which is equal to 45, and the value of n by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 45 plus 1, which is equal to 46. Then corresponding to this number 45, and this 45 is just a minute, this 45, and corresponding to the value of 45, the value of xi is 4, and to corresponding value 46, the 46 is located the number in this Fi, that is 65, and the corresponding value of xi is 5. So median is equal to 4 plus 5 divided by 2, is equal to 9 by 2, which is equal to 4.5. Okay, I hope all of you understood the concept median, their formulas, and the application of formula in example. Thank you.